So when it comes to storing rainwater, what's the best type of material or what's the best tank to use? When it comes to rainwater, we know it's acidic. So storing it in a steel tank or a poly tank, we know that there's no interaction with the rainwater, so we have to do the treatments ourselves manually by adding the baking soda. The material that's going to give us the most benefit is using a concrete cistern. Concrete has the minerals in it that is going to automatically pH adjust that rainwater. It's going to help us keep the sunlight out of that water so we're not growing algae. It's going to give us the best results in the house. So by far, concrete cisterns are the best material for your rainwater catchment tank. Please consider subscribing or leaving a like if you liked this video. This helps us spread the word about safe water harvesting everywhere.